Hello viewers, a lot of users actually want to buy tablets during Big Billion Days sale and Amazon Great Indian Festival. Many users are asking me various questions, so in this video I will answer those questions. One of the users want to know which tablet or iPad is best, iPad 10th generation or iPad 11th generation or Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus. I think if you want to use any iPad for 4 to 5 years, in that case you should definitely buy iPad 11th generation because this is a newly launched iPad. You will get regular updates on iPad 11th generation, plus the processor is A16 Bionic chipset, so you will have a great processing power in terms of videography, video editing and gaming. On the other hand, if you buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 AP Plus, this is also a very good tablet, but the processor is not as powerful as A16 Bionic chipset on iPad 11th generation. But the note-taking experience is better on Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 AP Plus, and you will get the S Pen inside the box free of cost. Next, many users want to know which tablet is best between Oneplus Pad Lite and Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus. I have made a dedicated comparison video between these two tablets, but I think Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus has a better display. On the other hand, Oneplus Pad Lite has better speakers. Both the tablet comes with 90 Hz of refresh rate, but the display quality I think has Samsung better. Now many users want to know about the price of iPad Air M1. Actually M1 is a very good iPad. You will have everything in it. For the 64GB variant, you can pay the price of 35 to 36,000 rupees, and if you want to buy the 128GB variant, in that case the best price would be around 40,000 rupees. Some users want to know whether I am feeling any lag or any stutter or any battery drainage issue on my iPad 10th generation, as I have installed iPadOS 26 Public Beta 2. In this iPadOS 26 there are many features available, but the battery life is not on the good side. Actually battery drainage is on the heavier side, I would say. I am getting an SOT of 5 hours plus after this update. Previously with iPadOS 18.6 I was getting around 8 hours plus SOT on a single charge. If you want to know the price of Samsung Galaxy Tab S9, in that case the best price for this tablet is 38,000 rupees during offers. Many people want to know the price of Redmi Pad 2 during offers. In Big Billion Days sale, you will get Redmi Pad 2 at around 10,000 rupees. Some users want to know which is best for note-taking, Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 AP Plus or iPad 10th generation. I think both the devices have very good note-taking experience, but Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 AP Plus has a better note-taking experience. On the other hand, on iPad 10th generation there is a creaking sound while writing anything with the ipencil. This may be because of the panel gaps between the main glass and the upper glass. But the third-party pencil also supports scribble feature, and I am using Kingone ipencil third-party. If you want to buy this pencil, I will put the link in the description. Next, many users want to buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 AP and S10 AP Plus. If you want to buy S10 AP, in that case the best price for the 128GB is around 32,000 rupees, and for S10 AP Plus the best price would be around 38,000 rupees. So these are some of the questions that people have asked me, and I tried my level best to answer these questions. If you have any other question, feel free to ask me. I will answer those questions in my next video. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.